Hello and thank you for visiting this vehicle advert. I'm James Healy from Luscombe Suzuki and I'll be showing you around this excellent example of the Vitara SZ5 Hybrid Allgrip. Now this vehicle was originally sold by ourselves, so we know the previous owners, the good customers of ours, and it has a full Luscombe Suzuki service history, meaning all work's being carried out by our factory trained technicians here at Luscombe's. Really low mileage, just over 10,000, and as mentioned, brilliant condition. I'll give you a close-up of the 18-inch diamond cut alloys. So all alloys on this vehicle are superb, as are tyre treads. Now the previous owner opted for a number of extra features, so you've got the front and rear mud flaps fitted, as well as sill protectors and boot sill protector. So they really did take great pride in their vehicle. You also have front and rear dash cam fitted. These were fitted by ourselves, fall under warranty, and they have a number of excellent features. We take a look at the boot space. The boot space in the Vitara is excellent, well known for it. Makes for a brilliant family vehicle. If we open up, you have another handy storage point there. And once again, testament to the previous owners, they also purchased the full space saver kit, as we can see there. Now you have front and rear sensors, radar sensors with the SZ5. Let's take a look at the interior condition next. We'll start with the back. So you've got half leather, half suede throughout, front and rear. Excellent legroom, plenty of handy storage points. Now a feature of the SZ5 that I particularly like, especially on days like today, is the panoramic sunroof, as we can see in operation there. Really nice feature, obviously to keep the cabin cool, let the sun shine in whilst you're driving. Let's take a look at the front of the vehicle. Again, leather and suede in excellent condition. SZ5 has loads of brilliant features, so let's start here. You have adaptive cruise control, as well as lane departure warning. You also have blind spot monitoring, so the icon there will light up in the mirror, notifying you of vehicles sat in your blind spot. In-car entertainment, so you'll find this in the centre console. As you can see here, this is the reversing camera. If I take the vehicle out, you also have DAB digital radio, Bluetooth for streaming your own music. You've got satellite navigation and Apple and Android CarPlay, so you can set up your own phone and run apps such as Amazon Music. Now this vehicle also has climate control for keeping the cabin nice and cool, and a particularly nice feature is the four-wheel drive, as we can see there. So Suzuki has the Allgrip four-wheel drive system. You've got snow and mud mode and sports mode, but you also have an auto mode for everyday driving. So if you're driving along and there's a sudden downpour of rain and the vehicle loses traction, the four-wheel drive will automatically kick in. So it's not just for snow and muddy conditions, it's also for day-to-day driving. Really good safety feature, and that works alongside Suzuki's radar brake support, so automatic braking and audible warning if you're in danger. This has led to the vehicle being awarded a 5-star safety rating. So to recap, this is the top of the range hybrid four-wheel drive Vitara SZ5. Loads of brilliant features, and this is a particularly good example. We know the vehicle, we know the previous owners. It's got excellent service history and really low mileage. The vehicle will be serviced and MOT'd before leaving. If you'd like more information or to arrange a test drive, please call myself, James Healy, and I shall happily help. Thank you.